This is K1Locks, and today I come to you with a lock pinned by PickMe1977. It is entitled Pure Fun Number 2. So let's go ahead and pick this bad boy open. Oh, do want to stick my shotgun in there. Alright. So I picked this lock open twice before, and I'm hoping we can get it the third time here. You know, third time is a charm, so to speak, but and there we go. Sweet. Nice. Let's go ahead and pull this guy out of here. And well, all right, and here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right. Oh, you can see there's some magic up in there already. Look at that. Nice. We have a serrated. We have a serrated T-pin. Excuse me. Another serrated T-pin. Serrated and a spool. Nice. And in the core, it looks like we have threading in 1, 3, and 5, and undercutting in number 2 and 4. Nice. And let's see what we have up in the Bible. Spool with serrations. Nice. This is like a cake pin right there. That's nice. There's another spool. And a spool of serrations. Nice. And let's see here. It doesn't look like anything has been done to the Bible. No modifications there. Sweet. So let's go ahead and do a zoom here. So we have serrations, serrated T-pin, serration with a spool with serrations. This is the spool with serrations, a T-pin, like a cake T-pin. This is in increments, it goes down. This is a spool, and this is a spool with serrations. This again comes to us from PickMe1977. This is called Big Fun Number 2. This is K1Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.